All right, now that we have our raw shrimp in our muffin tin, I'm gonna bring in my salted butter, and I have these little pads of butter that we're gonna place right on top of our shrimp. I tried to squeeze at least 2 of those shrimps into each of our muffin holes, and this is gonna be such an easy, such a delicious seafood appetizer. It's great for the holidays, it's great year round, it's refreshing, and it is tasty. So let's go ahead and make sure we get 1 little tap of butter in each hole. On top of our butter, we're gonna add some minced garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic, but I just feel like minced garlic has so much more flavor, and we're just gonna add, a few little drops of that minced garlic onto each pieces of butter. You guys know I love my garlic and shrimp are such a great combination. It kind of goes together like peanut butter and jelly, if you ask me. So let's go ahead and get some garlic on here so that everyone can get their flavor on. Perfect. Now we have some Parmesan cheese, and we are gonna sprinkle a good amount of Parmesan cheese onto each one of these shrimps. You could use a different cheese if you have a preference, but Parmesan goes great with that garlic, and it really does complement the shrimp. I know shrimp and cheese are a little odd, but with that garlic and that butter, the flavors are just unbeatable. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that Parmesan on there. It's gonna be so tasty. It's perfect for a party. Let's go. All right, last one. Beautiful, and I love the easiness of the muffin tin. Now for a little bit of color, we're gonna add our parsley, and we're gonna sprinkle our parsley right on top. I think parsley goes great with seafood, and shrimp is no different. I made this last year for Christmas and everyone went wild. My husband made it last week and I was just craving it again. It is so yummy. The best way to cook shrimp. I mean, how could it get any better? And you can use fresh shrimp. I just use the frozen because I'm in Vegas. We don't have a sea near us, so we gotta eat the frozen stuff. Last but certainly not least, lemon. All right, we're gonna add 1 slice of lemon onto each of our shrimp holes. This lemon is just gonna cook up and reduce in our oven, and that juice is just gonna dribble down to the butter, to the garlic, to the shrimp, and then we have the unbeatable appetizer that I am just raving about. Ooh, doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, I'm excited.
All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for 20 minutes because they're frozen. All right, you guys, look at our delicious shrimp appetizer. Oh, they smell incredible. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this over. So we have our pan here. I wanna do our best to make it quick. Woo! All right, make sure all those get out. And then this is the hard part. Oh my God, they look so good.
Oh wow, they smell delicious.
Now, last thing we need to serve this up is some cocktail sauce. Oh, what is shrimp without cocktail sauce? All right, oh, we got a little butter splash. Oh, that delicious butter. That should be plenty. All right, it is time to give this a try. And the great thing is that your party guests can just grab a little lemon, just like that. You can even put some, toothpicks on the side, but I like to do it this way. We did use the deveined, no tail, no shell shrimps, so that's important.